Hey guys, welcome back to another Gear Pro 101. Today's question comes from Jeff on how to make the multi-pack into a chest rig, or just how to make a chest rig with one of our items. So guys, we do have a Recon Bino harness, which is a great chest harness, but if you're looking more for a chest pack for additional gear other than just some binoculars, we do have our multi-pack accessory. Not only can it molle on to pretty much any of our packs that have molle, but it has additional clips to where it works with our new Recon harness that you can now buy separately to create this setup. So we've got a Recon harness here, we've got a multi-pack. All you're going to do is you're going to unclip the bottom here, and then you're just going to connect it to the harness. Top males on the multi-pack go to the top females of the Recon harness. We're going to take that and put it over top. We're going to tighten this down. Like so. Reach around. And now we're going to use these female buckles at the bottom of the pack. And buckle in. And then we're going to take the bottom straps here and the bottom buckle, and we're going to buckle it in. And you can tuck these straps out of the way. Pull these ones up even further. You've got a really nice chest rig close to your chest here, guys. It's a really nice pack here. We've got a stretch pocket in front right here to fit a lot of quick access accessories. The inside here has got a couple of different elastic pouches in the back here, 3 elastic pouches in the back here, a full open space, and then a zippered mesh pocket for more valuables. Additionally, it's got buckled side pockets here. This is great for some smaller kestrels, certain calls if you're hunting with this setup. Couple survival items, some fire starter, etc. So it's a really nice chest rig here. This is how you would end up doing this setup if you're wanting to run it on its own harness. But then we've also got a way of setting this up with one of our packs. If you're not wanting, to feel like there's some bulk, you're just wanting to keep down on the amount of harnesses on you, and you don't want it on its own, but you want to attach to your pack and its straps, we've got something called our chest mount kit that works similarly here. We've got our Gunslinger 2-pack here, but this will work on any of our packs with a shoulder harness and a hip belt. But just a quick rundown on this. You've got one half of your chest mount kit set up like this. You're going to unbuckle it. The black hook and the female buckle are what connect to the top of the multi-pack here. This would end up just clipping to the black piece here across the shoulder strap or all the way up at the D-ring. It's just a matter of personal preference. But it'll end up clipping there, and then on the bottom you've got this, and then you've got a locking ladder piece here for tension that'll end up going on the back molle of the hip belt of our packs. I'll link the video down below, guys, if you want more specific instructions on how to attach this chest mount kit to one of our packs. But again, a great way if you're wanting to minimize the amount of harnesses that you're running to attach the multi-pack onto one of our packs to create an awesome chest rig. So thanks again, guys, for the question. If you guys have any more questions that require video demonstration like this, feel free to reach out to us at customerservice@eberlestock.com. Subject Gear Pro. We'll be happy to answer your question or get you a video. Thanks again, guys, and get out there.